Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra air sign for the month of September. This is weekly reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see Libra, your recent past. Okay, Judgment, Seven of Cups and Ten of Wands. I think one person in this connection is very burdened, overburdened, and they have one person in this connection has lot of confusion. They are confused totally, and Judgment. Definitely one person in this connection is very honest and committed, but one person, I think one person in this connection choosing, they are seeing options. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. Two of Cups, Hangman, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I think for some there is separation between both of you. Five of Pentacles and Hangman, but still love is there between both of you. You both love each other. Two of Cups is here, but due to one person seeing options, the other person is walked away. It could be you or your person, Libra. It could be you walked away, I think, but your person is spiritually awakening right now. They are stuck right now. So let's see some more messages. Six of Wands and Page of Wands. Definitely your person wants success with you and they want to communicate you, or you want to communicate with them. What's happening? Lot of energy. Hierophant. Yeah, I think one person in this connection now want to commit. I think it could be your person want to commit to you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely your person want communicate to you. I think one person in this connection is younger than the other person. Page of Wands and the Hierophant. Definitely commitment is coming and they want success with you. So let's say your person near future actions towards you. Excuse me. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Libra, your person near future actions towards you. Four of Cups. Yeah, they're feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think something communication wise. King of Wands. Lot of passion is there between both of you. Hermit. Yeah, I think they are not going to take any action right now, because at least you will get some communication. I'm getting, because they're spiritually awakening right now. They are thinking, not taking any action. I think they past played some mind games with you, some manipulation. That's why you walked away here, Libra, and they are now feeling sad for the missed opportunity, but still they are attracted to you. They are not taking any action. They want success with you. They want to commit to you, but now right now they don't want to approach. They are taking their time. I think they want to communicate to you first. When this stuck mode is completed, then they will approach you through communication. Then they will take step towards you. So let's pull some more cards from the universe for final. Yeah, the Sun. For some this could be third party situation, also children's involved. Nine of Swords. Yeah, your person not sleeping at night times, thinking about you a lot, or it could be you also. Queen of Wands and King of Wands, you both are very strong couple. Yeah, I think it could be you. Stand by your power. You are emotionally independent right now, Libra. It could be you. Definitely your person feeling for the missed opportunity with you, and they are not sleeping at right times due to what happened between both of you. Definitely your person feeling very regret. So Knight of Wands, definitely they want to come towards you, but they are taking their time. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.